Yes, good morning everyone. So guys, hope it is loud and clear to all. If yes, then just let me know and we can start. Yes. Yes everyone, good morning. Those who are sitting online. Okay. Yes everybody, so hope it is loud and clear to all. So guys, yesterday we were discussing about knockout, round robin and some basic accounting principle, right? And today we have to start with factorial n, right everyone? Factorial n or n factorial, fine. So guys, do you know what is n factorial? Any one of you? Anyone in the class? Yes, Akram. Factorial n. Huh? What is factorial n? Okay. See everybody, factorial n is product of first n natural numbers. I repeat, product of first n natural numbers, right? Factorial n is product of first n natural numbers. Product of first n natural numbers, right? Okay, so natural numbers, hope you must be knowing about natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? Like they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite. Huh? Okay, so if factorial 1 is written, it is 1. Factorial 2 is written, it is 1 into 2 guys, which is 2. Factorial 3 is written, it is 1 into 2 into 3, which is 6. Guys, hope it is clear to all of you. Huh? Okay. Now, I'm just writing it here. Factorial 1 is 1. Factorial 2 is 1 into 2, which is 2, right? Factorial 3 is 1 into 2 into 3, which is 6. Guys, can you tell me what is factorial 4? Huh? 24? See, all of you, to find factorial 4, you just need to multiply this value with 4, right? So this 6 you already have. So this is already 6 into 4. I mean, this is 1 into 2 into 3 is already there. So 6 into 4 is 24, right? So this into 4. Now, if you need to find factorial 5, then this will be multiplied with 5. 120, correct. If you need to find factorial 6, this will be multiplied with 6 factorial, which is 720. Guys, hope it is clear. Right, everyone? Huh? Okay. All right. So they are factorial n. Okay. Let's discuss one question based on it, guys. A very simple question. Huh? Shall I remove this now? A very simple question, guys. I mean, this is the value. ठीक है, अच्छा एक बात और बताता हूँ आपको. There is one observation. Here, factorial n can be treated as n into n minus 1 factorial. Yes or no? Guys, for example, factorial 5. So this is 5 into 4 factorial, right? I mean, what we have done to find factorial 5 is 5 into 4 factorial, which is 24. So that's why we have found it as 120. Fine. So this is factorial n is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. Guys, it is clear? And if you put n is equal to 1, right? Factorial 1 is equal to 0 into 0 factorial. Sorry. If you put n is equal to 1, so this is 1 into 0 factorial, yes, right? No, this is 1, I'm sorry guys, this is 1, because I'm putting n is equal to 1, right? So this is factorial 1 is equal to 1 into 0 factorial, right? So you can say factorial 0 is equal to 1. Is it fine, guys? Right? So whenever you are getting the value of factorial 0, you will replace it with 1. Correct? Okay. Yes. Yes, everyone fine now? Clear? Okay. After that, can you tell me the answer of this question? Right? Just read the question, everyone. Simple question is there. Just read it. Question is saying, what is the unit digit of the expression factorial 1 plus factorial 2 plus factorial 3 up to factorial 100? Okay. What is the unit digit of the expression factorial 1 plus factorial 2 plus factorial 3 up to factorial 100? Huh? 4? Okay. Guys, I am getting one answer as 4. Friends, are you getting the question? Anyone in the class who is not getting the meaning of this question? Anyone in the class? 0. Okay. Anyone in the class who is not getting the meaning of this question? 3. Okay. Anyone in the class who is not getting the meaning of this question, what this question is actually trying to ask? विशाल कैसे किया जाए?
सर 1 से लेकर 9 तक के फैक्टोरियल सर यूनिट डिजिट इसकी 0 ही होगी.
ओके. ओके. ठीक है. आंसर 0 होगा. ठीक है. I forgot your name. What's your name? Tanu. Yeah. Tanu, what is answer according to you? क्या लग रहा है आपको? या क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया आपको? So what is the, I mean, what should be the answer as per your assessment? Or did you solve it or no? No. 4 ही होगा. अच्छा ठीक है. हाँ. 4. अच्छा ठीक है. ठीक है. अक्रम क्या होना चाहिए? No idea. Okay. आदित्य. Okay. Guys, इधर देखिए जरा एक बार. मुझे एक बात बताइएगा. Factorial 1 is what? 1. Factorial 2. 2, factorial 3, 6, factorial 4, 24. Guys, if I add till here, right, what is the unit digit? 3, right? Because 6 plus 4, 10, 1 plus 2, 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13. Unit digit is 3, right? Now just think on it, guys. Factorial 1 is 1, factorial 2 is 2, factorial 3 is, factorial 4 is 24. Factorial 5 is what? 120. And factorial 6 will be what? 720. Factorial 7. Now guys, to find factorial 7, you just multiply 720 with 7. Right? So, I know the answer. This is 50-40. Right? Okay, I'm writing it. So guys, what I'm trying to say you is, once the 0 is being introduced in factorial 5, it can't be removed. Why? Because you are multiplying that expression with something. Right? So once a 0 is introduced here, now it can't be removed for any value which are greater than 5 factorial. Correct? Right? So actually, you have solved this question till here, the answer was 3. Now, suppose that you need to solve this question till here. What is the unit digit of this expression? Again 3, right? Okay. Now, suppose that you need to solve this question till this, factorial 6, then what will be the answer? 3 again, right? And now, suppose that you need to solve this question till factorial 7, 3 again, right? So, what I am trying to say is, if it is written till factorial 100, then obviously factorial 100 ki value I don't know, but I know one thing, the unit digit of factorial 100 will be 0. Definitely it will be 0. Right? Or for any number which is greater than 5 or greater than or equal to 5, I think. Right? The unit digit of that factorial would be 0 always. So if you will be adding those values here, unit digit won't be changed. Right? So whatever the answer you are getting till here, the answer will be same for these values also. Right? So if the question is saying till factorial 100 or the factorial 50 or factorial 5000 or factorial 10,000, the answer would be 3 only. Correct everybody? Here the answer is 3, always. Right? Okay. Please note it down. Yeah. Muskan Chaudhary is asking, sir, the cyclicity does not work over here. Muskan, cyclicity works in case of powers, right? If 2 raised to the power something, then cyclicity works. Here these are factorial, right? What? Vaishali is sitting online today, huh? Yes, guys, it is clear now. Friends, any doubt, any query, any problem? Anyone in the class? No? Okay. All right. Done, all of you? Everyone? Done? Shall we move? Huh? Okay. After that, guys, NCR. Okay, everyone? NCR. You might have heard this term NCR or NPR in case of permutation and combination. Right? NCR. Okay? So, what is NPR? NPR is number of ways of selection of R articles out of N articles. Right? You please write it down. Number of ways of selecting R articles out of N articles where order does not matter. I repeat, number of ways of selecting R articles out of N articles where order does not matter. Number of ways of selecting R articles out of N articles where order does not matter. Correct, guys? Now, friends, ठीक है, like for bookish thing it is okay, like number of ways of selecting R articles out of N articles. What is the meaning of that? Right? What is the actual meaning of it? Clear? Suppose that you have, let's say, you have 4 alphabets A, B, C, D. Correct, everyone? Huh? And if I ask you, give me the 4 alphabets, right? Then what you will do? You will hand over all the 4 alphabets to me, right? You won't have any other choice. Fine. So there is no confusion. But if I ask you, give me 2 alphabets. I repeat, when I ask you give me 4 alphabets, then ठीक है, आप दे देंगे सारे के सारे. But if I ask you give me 2 alphabets, then you will be confused. Which 2 alphabets is he asking for? Getting it, everyone? Right? Which 2 alphabets? Because this time you have multiple ways to select 2 alphabets from these 4 alphabets. Yes or no? Right? And how many ways are there? See, AB, AC, AD, then BC, BD, and then CD. Right? So this is AB, AC, AD, and then BC, BD, and CD. Everyone, it is clear? So here, I mean, 2 articles out of 4 articles can be selected in 6 ways. Guys, getting it? Right? So here, for small number, actually here what you have done, you have selected 2 articles out of 4 articles, right? So for small number, this manual counting is enough. हो जाएगा. But what about the bigger numbers? Suppose that you have all the 26 alphabets, right? And if I ask you give me any, let's say 7 alphabets, right? Then this process will become really a cumbersome process. ये बहुत tough हो जाएगा आपके लिए. And it will be a time taking also, right? तब आप इसको इस तरह से नहीं कर पाएंगे. And then this NCR comes to the picture, right? And here, what is the value of NCR, guys? The value of NCR, acha, one more thing. You have written where order does not matter. Have you written that? Order does not matter, right? So let me tell you, there are some cases where order matters and there are some cases where order does not matter, right? For example, if these numbers 1, 2, if you have written like 1, 2, this is another number, like we have two digits 1 and 2. So if you have written like this is another number, this value is different. And if you have written like this is another number, the value is different. Getting it? With the same two digits, you can form two different numbers by changing the order. Correct, guys? But in some cases, order does not matter. For example, let's say you are Vimi and you are Aditya, right? So suppose that some competition is there in Old Rajendra Nagar where Team UNGIST is participating, and there are two members in Team UNGIST. One is Aditya, another is Vimi, right? So Team UNGIST means Aditya and Vimi, correct? Now, if you change the order, Vimi and Aditya, does it make any difference? No, right, guys? So here order does not matter, correct? But in this case, order matters. So NCR will be used here, not here. Everybody okay? NCR, the formula that we are going to study now, will be used here, not here. Clear, everyone? Right? Friends, any doubt? No? Okay? Okay, good. Now, what is the formula? What is the mathematical value? I just want to remove this part, right? In fact, ठीक है हटाइए इसको. So guys, NCR is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial, right? So here, the number which is written like upward, its factorial come to the numerator, right? And the number which is written downward, its factorial come to the denominator into the difference of the two numbers. The factorial of the difference of the two numbers. Correct, everybody? Now, one more value. Suppose that I am writing NC, n minus r. Guys, what the formula should be? This is factorial n. Now, factorial n minus r into the difference ka factorial. So, n minus r. So, this will become n minus n plus r, right? This will cancelled. So, this is r once again, right? So, guys, just read formula number 1 and formula number 2. Look about the, observe the RHS side of, right hand side of both the formulas, right? Yes, same, right? So, what you can say is, if RHS is same, then LHS will also be same, guys. So, it means what? It means NCR is same as NC n minus r. Everyone, yes or no? Right? Okay. And friends, abhi recently we have calculated what we have selected 2 articles out of 4, right? Total number of ways we have got as 6, right? So what we have done over there, nothing but it was 4C2. We have selected 2 articles out of 4 articles, right? So just with the formula, with the help of the formula, please try to verify the value. Factorial 4 divided by 2 factorial into the difference ka factorial. So 2 factorial once again. So this is 24 divided by 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 24 by 2 is 6, right? So guys, the value is verified. Okay, everyone, the value is verified, right? So please note it down. And one more thing, guys. Here, let me tell you. What about NCN? Everyone, what is NCN? Boliye. What is NCN? NCN is 1. Very good. See, guys, NCN is 1. Why? See, the thing is like, wo chhod dijiye. If you have 4 articles and you need to give 4 articles, right? So n articles, out of n articles you need to select. Then there is only one way. कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते आप, right? अच्छा, now friends, just look at this. इधर देखिए जरा. With the help of this, NCN, if you are putting R is equal to N, this will become what? N minus N is what? 0. So guys, NCN is same as NC0 and is same as 1. Please note it down this also. Right? All of you? NCN is same as NC0 is equal to 1. Friends, any confusion? Huh? Anyone? Any confusion? No? Any query? Done? ठीक है? Okay. After that, I just want to solve some values, right? I just want to practice some values. देखिए जरा, मैं हटाऊँ इसको, right? Guys, what is NCR? NCR is factorial n divided by factorial r into factorial n minus r. Correct? Okay. Now, I just want to solve some questions in front of you, right? 10C3, everybody. 10C3, in fact, no, अच्छा ठीक है, 10C3 अब लिख दिया तो लिख दिया, ठीक है. 10C3. Guys, factorial 10 should be coming here, then factorial 3, and then what is that? ठीक है. Okay. 8C3, चलिए, ठीक है. Yeah, what should I write? 8 factorial, 3 factorial into 5 factorial. ठीक है? Okay. Now 12C या फिर 10C4 कर दीजिए आप इसको. 10C4. What should I write, guys? 10 factorial, 4 factorial, 6 factorial. Okay. Okay, ठीक है. Guys, I won't solve any one of the given expression, but I'll tell you how to solve them efficiently. Right? मुझे एक बात बताइए. This is factorial 10. Factorial 10 can be written as 10 into 9 factorial. Right? This is 10 into 9 factorial. And this 9 is actually 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. Everybody, yes or no? Factorial, Factorial 10 can be like this. Yeah. इसको कैसे हटाऊं? Yeah. Factorial 10 can be like this, guys. हो सकता है, ठीक है? तो factorial 10 is what? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial, right? ठीक है? Guys, this is 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 1, 2, 3. How? And this is 7 factorial, so this will get cancelled. Again, what should I write this? I just want to cancel this bigger expression with this. Hope you are getting the purpose. What should I write?
8 into 7 into 6 into 5.
Yes, 8 into 7 into 6. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. What about this? 1, 2, 3? Right? And what about this? 5 factorial, right? Guys, what about this? Quick. पहले बोलिए. Yes. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 into 6 factorial, correct? As this is cancelled, this is cancelled, this is cancelled. Can you observe something in all these expressions? Anything that you can observe? Anything? Yep. Can you observe something? Value of 3 factorial.
1 into 3.
1 into 3.
1 into 2 into 3.
1 into 2. अरे ये क्या? ये कहाँ common है? Yes, guys. Can you observe something in all these 3 expressions? हाँ.
Difference of that.
अच्छा. Oh. Yes. Anything else, guys? देखिए जो cancel हो गया उसको भूल जाइए. Whatever is left finally. Suppose that if ये cancel हो गया तो मैं इसको हटा भी सकता हूँ यहाँ से. I just want to, I can remove this part like this. ये भी हो सकता है. So whatever is left finally, left over, you just look about the leftover, right? Clear? Okay.
The numbers are decreasing and the numerator and decreasing.
Okay.
Increasing the numerator.
Okay. अच्छा just wait.
तो जितना R आर्टिकल्स को हमको सर जितना डिक्रीज करना है उतना ही सर
मुझे एक बात बताइए. If I write like this 3 to 1, does it make any difference?
Sir, the number of digits are like 3 in 876 and
See, all of you, let me tell you, देखिए,
number of digits.
देखिए. Just look at this number. This is 3. So 10 will be decreased 3 times. 10, 9, 8. Right? Divided by 3 factorial. 1, 2, 3. Everyone fine? Now this is 3 and this is 8. 8 will be decreased by 3 times. 8, 7, 6 divided by 3 factorial. Correct? Now this is 10C4. So 10 will be decreased 4 times. 10, 9, 8, 7 divided by 4 factorial. Everybody okay? Getting it or not? Right? Now, if I'm writing, just tell me the value. Right? I mean, just मुझे बताइए मैं क्या लिख दूँ? If I write 7C3 guys, what should I write? 765 by 1, 2, 3, right? ठीक है? 7 into 6 into 5 by 1, 2, 3. So guys, this cancels, this is 35. Everybody, it's clear? Okay. Now, you please tell me, what should I write this 5C2 as? बोलिए. 5 into 4. See, everyone, in case of 2, I mean, it will be always 1 into 2, right? So 1 into 2 can be treated as 2 only. Correct? So in case of 2 factorial, I mean, in case of 2, you may treat this as 5 into 4 by 2. 5 into 4 by 2 will be 10. Everyone, now, you please tell me the value of 6C2. ऐसे ही बताइए जरा.
6 into 5 by 2.
What is the answer? 15. 6 into 5 divided by 2, it is 15. Okay, good. Guys, what is 7C2? Yes, what is 7C2? 21. Very good. Very good. Very good. What is 10C2? 45. Very good. Guys, what is NC2? What is NC2?
10 into minus 1 by 2.
Everyone, yes or no? This expression you have studied somewhere else yesterday. Where? Yes, and handshake. Right? So guys, whenever you have written n into n minus 1 is equal to n into n minus 1 divided by 2, just write equal to NC2, right? In your notes also. Okay? Friends, any doubt? Clear? All of you fine? Okay. Now friends, you just think about it. We have recently studied NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Right, everyone? We have just studied NCR. Shall I remove this part, guys? We have recently studied NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Yes or no? हाँ, ये आपने पढ़ा है कि नहीं पढ़ा है अभी? Right? NCR is equal to NCN minus R, right? What is the practical use of this? Let me tell you. 8C3. This will be 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 1, 2, 3. Yes or no, guys? Huh? Correct? यही होगा? Right. Now, if I need to solve 8C5, everybody just look at this. मुझे बताइए ज़रा, this will be what? 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, huh? Now just look at this everyone. 5, 4 cancelled and the leftover part is, it's same as this. Just look at this. Right? And just look at this. If it is 8C3, 8C3 will be same as 8C8 minus 3, which is 8C5. Everybody, yes or no? Right? So if the question is, इधर देखिए जरा, you know the value of 10C2? You have told me what is the answer? The answer is 45, right? So now guys, suppose that you have to find 10C8. So don't try to find 10C8. Rather try to find 10C2. 10C2. Correct? And you know the value of 10C2, which is 45. Right? If you need to find 8C5, then rather try to find 8C3. Right? Again, मुझे ये बताइए, if you have to find 10C7, what exactly you will try to find? 10C3. Guys, 10C7 is equivalent to 10C3. Correct everybody? Right? अच्छा ठीक है, मुझे बताइए जरा, 12C8 is equivalent to what? 12C4. Everybody it is clear now? Right? Okay, please note it down and then we will move to the next concept. Yeah. Any query, anyone? Any confusion? हाँ. 12C8 देखिए, इधर देखिए, इसको देखा आपने? ये क्या है कि इन दोनों का जो डिफरेंस है, राइट? 8 minus 3. I mean, this is 8 minus 3, right? So NCR is same as NC, the difference of this, right? So similarly, 12C8 will be same as 12 minus 8. And what is 12 minus 8? It is 4, right? Okay. Clear everybody? What is the value of, by the way, 8C3?
8C5.
I mean 8C3 की final value क्या होगी? 56. This 6 and 6 will be cancelled. The answer is 56. Right? Okay. All right. चलिए जरा. Shall we move now? Huh? Shall we move now? Okay. All right. After that, see everyone, before that, I need to tell you one more thing. Sigma n is what? Like we have studied factorial, right? Now let me tell you one more expression, which is sigma n. This expression is known as sigma expression, right? Or this is also known as summation, right? This is also known as summation, right? So guys, summation n, okay? So this is sum of first n natural numbers, the sum of first n natural numbers. Okay everyone? So when it is product, this will become factorial, and when it is sum, it will become sigma n. Right, everybody? Okay. Friends, sigma 1 is 1. Sorry, sigma 1, not factorial. Sigma 1 is 1. Sigma 2 is 1 plus 2. What is that? 3. Sigma 3 is 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. Now, sigma 4, just add 4 to this number. This will be 10. Sigma 5, add 5 to this number. This will be 15. Guys, it is clear? Right? And the formula for that is sigma n is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay? So guys, you may verify this with sigma 5. Suppose that sigma 5 is what? 5 into 5 plus 1, which is 6 divided by 2. This is 3. So sigma 5 will be 15. And look at the value that you have calculated manually. Right? Guys, it is clear? So don't get confused between sigma n and nc2. In sigma n it is n plus 1 divided by 2, n plus 1 divided by 2, and in nc2 it is n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Okay guys, this is the only difference. Okay? Alright. Is it clear? Clear? Right? Okay. After that, we have summation of n square. Right, everybody? Summation of n square means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square up to n square. Right? This is equal to n plus 1 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Everyone, see, this is nn plus 1. Dekhiye everyone, this is nn plus 1, right? Just add them. N plus 1 will become 2n plus 1. Getting it? Right? If you add n plus 1, this will become 2n plus 1. Right? Guys, it is clear? Now, for example, everyone, if you need to find sigma 5 square, everyone, idhar dekhiye zara. If you need to find sigma 5 square is 5 into 6 into what should I write? The sum of these two is what? 11 divided by 6, right? 6 cancelled. This is 55. Guys, it is clear, right? So this is n plus 1, and the summation of the two will be 2n plus 1. Or you can say twice of this plus 1 also, right? Okay? देखिए इन दोनों का जो sum होगा वही 2n plus 1 होगा, आप समझिए. When n will be added to n, this will give you 2n, and when n will be added to n plus 1, this will give you 2n plus 1. Getting it? Right? Everybody, it is clear? Okay, can you tell me the answer of sigma 6 squares or sigma 10 square, guys? इसको बताइए जरा, sigma 10 square. आप मुझे ये बताइए मैं ऊपर लिखूं क्या? Guys, just tell me that. Everyone, इधर देखिए पहले. What should I write? 10 into 11 into 21. Yeah. 10 into 11 into the sum of 2 is 21 divided by 6. 6 ko let me write it as 3 into 2. Right. So this is 7. This is 5. 35 into 11. Guys, 35 into 11 will be what? ऐसा ही बताइए जरा. 385. Right? Clear, everybody? So sigma 10 square will be 385. Right? Sigma 10 square is 385. Guys, it is fine now. Right? So this is the formula that we should know. Sigma n square. Right? Okay? Everyone fine? Huh? Okay. After that, now in the next topic, we will be like using this formula. Okay? So the next concept is number of squares, right, in an square grid, right everyone? So suppose that we have a square grid in front of us, right? So how many total squares are there? Right everyone, total square means the total square, okay? Just look at this, guys, just look at this. For example, Acha, do you know how to read this? How to read this, guys? This is m by n, right? This is what? This is the order of the square matrix, right? Or not a square, order of the matrix, right? This is m by n. It is read as m by n, right? ठीक है? आपने कभी कभी you might have heard the dimension of the cloth is like 2 by 2 or 3 by 4, right everybody? Huh? Okay. So here, let's say if this is 1, this is 1, so this is 1 by 1. What is this, guys? This is 2 by 2. This is 3 by 3. And this is 4 by 4. Everyone, it is clear? Right? All of you, it is clear? Huh? Okay. ठीक है. मुझे ये बताइए, how many total squares are there in this figure? 1. ठीक है. Now, in this figure, we have two types of square, guys. There are two dimensions. I mean, the first dimension is 1 by 1, right? And another dimension is 2 by 2, the entire bigger one. Correct? Huh? So, here we have two dimensions, 1 by 1 and 2 by 2. So, how many squares of 1 by 1 are there? 4. And how many squares of 2 by 2 are there? 1. Okay. Now, in this, we have three dimensions possible, 1 by 1, 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. So guys, 1 by 1 we have 9 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? 3 by 3 we have 1 square, right? The bigger one. What about 2 by 2? How to count that 2 by 2? Guys, just look at this. Here, whatever you need to count, you just fix that figure in the corner. Okay? Whatever you need to count, you just fix that figure in the corner. Suppose that here, I need to find 2 by 2, right? So just fix 1 2 by 2 here. Okay? Right? And now, what you have to do is, you just have to traverse this figure. ये जितना भी possible है. जैसे कि like if it is here, then it can be shift here. Right? It can, I mean if it is here, it can come here. Correct? And now, if it is here, it can come here also. Right? And then, if it is here, then it can go here also. Getting it everyone? Right? So first it can come here, and then, let me change the color, it can go there also, right? And then, it can come here also, this is third one, and then this is fourth one. Everyone fine? So this is 4 2 by 2s are there. Everyone, right? So what is the answer? The answer is 4, right? After that, just talk about this one. Here we have 4 dimensions, 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3 and 4 by 4. Everyone fine now? So 1 by 1 is 16, right? The small squares are 16. Huh? What about 4 by 4? 1, very good. What about 2 by 2 guys? Just count 2 by 2 with the same procedure, right? Okay? Just count 2 by 2 with the same process which we have used earlier. 5? 11? Okay. Tanu, what's your answer? 7? Okay. 9? 9? 9? See, all of you, just try to fix 1 2 by 2 at the corner, right? Just try to fix 1 2 by 2 at the corner here. देखिए जरा. This, ठीक है, चलेगा? After that, it will go there, right? After that, it will go there. How many are they? 3. Now guys, just this slot, the complete slot can come here, right? Again 3. And this complete slot can shift here also, again 3. Right? Guys, it is clear. This is the middle. When the slot is coming here, this will be the middle one, right? Guys, it is clear. Anyone, any doubt? So the answer is what? The answer is 9. Okay. Now, is it clear, guys?
मिडिल में नहीं होगा।
अरे भाई देखिए, जब ये वाला स्लॉट, आप सोच के देखो, ये स्लॉट यहीं आएगा ना, शिफ्ट होगा, ठीक है, राइट? तो मिडिल वाले को ही तो वो कवर करेगा ना, राइट? एवरीबॉडी क्लियर? हाँ, ओके। आफ्टर दैट, ये जो आपको ब्लू दिख रहा है ना, ब्लू, यही मिडिल में आएगा ना, राइट? आफ्टर दैट, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट 3 by 3 guys. Shall I remove this part? Okay. Let's talk about 3 by 3 now, guys. Just fix one 3 by 3 at the corner, right? It can shift, see, it is here, right? So it can shift here, correct everyone? Right? So 2. And then this complete slot can be shifted here. Right? Just look at this. This complete slot can be shifted here because only one scope is there, right? I mean, only one possibility is there, right? So this, I mean, this complete slot can be shifted here. So 2 here and 2 there. What is the answer? 4. Now friends, we are finding total number of squares, right? Total. So total means what? Sum. You need to add them, right? So guys, you just have to add here 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4 plus 9, 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16, right? Guys, just observe these numbers. What these numbers are. These numbers are the perfect squares, right? So when you add them, देखिए जरा, this will give you 1 plus 4. Actually, this will give you 1 square plus 2 square, right? This will give you 1 plus 4 plus 9, which will give you 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. This will be 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Correct, guys? So if this will be n by n order square grid, right? When it was 4 by 4, the answer is like 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square, which is sigma 4 square. Right? What is that? This is sigma 4 square. So guys, when this is 3 by 3, it is sigma 3 square. When this is 2 by 2, it is sigma 2 square. Right? Okay? When it was 3 by 3, it is sigma 3 square. Correct? When it is 2 by 2, it is sigma 2 square. Right? So guys, it means what? In an n by n order square grid, total number of squares will be sigma n square. Right, everyone? In an n by n order square grid, total number of squares would be sigma n square. If we have n by n order square grid, then total number of squares would be sigma n square. And sigma n square is what? बोलिए जरा. n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Guys, write it down, please. Friends, any doubt, any confusion, any query, any problem? Anyone in the class? Yeah, sharing. Want to? No? Clear? Okay, good. Yes, Vaishali is saying, Are haan. Oh. All right. Yes, Vaishali. Are haan. Yes. Okay. Guys, it is clear now. Anyone, any doubt, any problem, any query? No? Pakka? Okay. So friends, shall we move? पीछे आ गया है. Okay. What is the order of this grid, guys? What is the order? अच्छा, एक बात समझिएगा. ऑर्डर के केस में ना एक चीज का ध्यान रखिएगा. इट इज ऑलवेज रो बाय कॉलम. ठीक है. So first number represents row and the second number represents column. It is row by column always. ठीक है. So guys, here what is the order? Can you tell me the order? First one is what? 5 by 5? Okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 by 5. And what about the second one? 5 by 4. So all of you, how many total squares are there in this grid? Just tell me the number. Sigma 5 square. Don't calculate. Sigma 5 square, right? Sigma 5 square we have calculated already. This is 5 into 6 into 11 divided by 6. 6 cancel. This is 55. Right? We have done it. I mean, yaad hai mere ko number. So sigma 5 square is 55. We have already calculated actually. Guys, it is clear? Okay. Now what about this type of rectangular grid? This is not a square grid, right? So what about this grid? कैसे करेंगे इसको? Any idea, any suggestion? Any suggestion?
एक रो और एक कॉलम का माइनस कर देंगे.
अरे नहीं नहीं नहीं, बहुत गलती कर देंगे आप. देखिए एवरीवन, इधर समझिए. Actually, how did you start this question? Just by counting the squares. How did you start this question? We have started with 5 into 5. I mean 1 by 1 order square was 5 into 5. I mean if I talk about this figure, this will be 5 into 5 plus 4 into 4 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 and plus 1 into 1, right? So this is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. This is equal to sigma 5 square, which is 55, right? And here also, just look at this number, guys. Here, we are first thinking about the order, and then we are reducing 1 from this value and 1 from this value, and we are keep on adding by doing the same thing, right? So here also, just we start with the order. So this is 5 by 4 plus what?
4 by 3.
4 into 3, very good, plus 3 into 2 plus 2 into 1. After that, nahi hoga. 1 will become 0, which is not possible, right? So guys, just add them. मुझे बताइए जरा ये कितना हुआ? This is 20, this is 12, this is 6, this is 2. Yeah. So this will become 20 plus 20. This is 40. Everyone clear now, right? So when we have a rectangular grid, start with the order and reduce by 1 and keep on adding. That's it. Right? Is it clear, everyone? Right? Okay. ठीक है. Please note it down. Yep. Any doubt? Anybody in the class? No? ठीक है. All right. This guy's done. All of you done? Right? Okay. ठीक है. After that, guys, what is the answer of this question?
Sigma
चेस बोर्ड का मतलब क्या होता है?
Sigma
Yes, chess board is the square grid of 8 by 8 order, right? So total number of squares would be sigma 8 square, right? Now calculate the value of sigma 8 square, right? The answer is sigma 8 square, that is correct. Chess board is the square grid of 8 by 8 order, right? So the answer is sigma 8 square. Sigma 8 square is 8 into 9 into 17 divided by 6. 6 को I can write 2 into 3. चलेगा? So this is 3 and this is 4. 17 into 3 is 51. 51 into 4 is 204. Correct, guys? Yeah. The answer is 204. Everybody okay? Guys, any doubt? Sure? All of you? Clear? Okay. Done? Alright. So this type of question may be asked in the examination, right? And the first option would be 64, I'll tell you. The first option would be 64. And most of us would tell 64 is the right answer and they will go, yeah, ये तो सही हो गया, कितना simple paper था. Right? आपको पता है जब आप एग्जामिनेशन हॉल के अंदर होते हैं तो आपका सिलेक्शन हो रहा होता है. राइट राइट और जैसे जैसे आप मतलब बाहर आते हैं, थोड़ा बात करते हैं, फिर रूम पे पहुंचते पहुंचते आप नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए मूड बना चुके होते हैं. राइट. एनीवेज, सो आफ्टर दैट, सी गाइस, this is a number of rectangles, right? Till now what we have studied the number of squares. Now this is the number of rectangles. Okay. So everybody, the number of rectangles. Just tell me one thing, guys. If the theory says if a set of m parallel lines intersects another set of n parallel lines at 90 degree, right? Let's say this is 1, 2, 3 up to m. This is 1, 2, 3 up to n, right? A set of m parallel lines intersects another set of n parallel lines at 90 degree, right? Then total number of rectangles so formed is equal to what? Is equal to MC2 into NC2. See friends, just think on it. I mean, if you need to form a rectangle, then two horizontal lines, parallel, will be intersecting two vertical lines at 90 degree, right? So from this set n, the set of n lines, we need two lines. So this is selection of two articles out of n articles, right? And from these m lines, we need again two lines. Guys, it is clear, right? So that's why the total number is MC2 into NC2, right? All of it is clear? Fine? Okay, and just look at one note which is written over here. Note says, when we calculate the number of rectangles, squares are already included. Since square is a special case of rectangle where all the sides are equal. All of you? If we need to find the number of rectangles, right, squares are already included. Okay? Because square is the special case of rectangle where all the sides are equal. Correct? So, let's do one simple question. Shall I remove this? You want to write it down? Okay, लिख लीजिए. Done all of you? ठीक है. देखिए, हटाऊं से? All of you done? Right? After that, just come to this question, guys. Right? Just small question. Huh? मुझे ये बताइए, in this figure, this is what, this is actually 2 by 2 order square grid, right? In this figure, if you need to find the number of rectangles, right? So for rectangles, we have the formula as MC2 into NC2, right? So friends, here how many lines are intersecting how many lines? Yes. Here 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, right? And 1, 2, 3, okay? So 3 lines are intersecting 3 lines, okay? At 90 degree. So number of rectangles, ठीक है, is equal to 3C2 into 3C2. Guys, what is 3C2? 3 into 2 divided by 2, which is 3 itself. Huh? So this is 3 into 3. The answer says it is 9. Correct? Now guys, just think about it. Think about this figure. Right? I mean, let's look at this. Just think about this figure. So here everyone, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 rectangles. I mean, we have already calculated the number of triangles, the number of squares. So here we have 5 squares, right everyone? Here we have 5 squares, right? Plus, now the non-square rectangle in this figure, right everyone? The non-square rectangle. So this is the first non-square rectangle, this, clear? And this is the second one, everyone fine now? This is the second one, ठीक है, clear है? And this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. Everyone okay? So plus 4 non-square rectangle. And that makes the answer 9. Guys, it is clear? Right? So that's why that note says when we calculate the number of rectangles, squares are already included in that. Guys, it is clear? Everyone? Right? So please note it down and मुझे बताइए ज़रा लिखने के बाद, then we will move to the questions of it. Huh? Yeah. Okay. Friends, any confusion, any query, anyone in the class till now? It's clear, guys? Okay. ठीक है. All right. That's great. After that, shall I remove, guys, this? Everyone? हो गया ना? देखिए. After that, guys, just read the question. The question says, how many total rectangles are there which are not square? Right? How many total rectangles are there which are not square? पहले मुझे ये बताइए, what will be the approach of this question? Guys, just look at the question. This is a 4 by 4 order square grid. The question says how many total rectangles are there in this figure which are not square. So what will be the approach of this question, guys?
So पहले तो square find out करेंगे.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
उसके बाद सर total rectangle find करेंगे.
ठीक है.
Square minus square.
Yes. See everyone, होता क्या है कि when you calculate the number of rectangle, this is the combination of squares plus non-square. I mean squares plus rectangle which are not square, right? So question is asking what? Which are not square. Fine. So here you just have to what? You just have to find the total number of rectangles minus total number of squares, right? So total number of rectangle will be what, guys? This is 4 by 4 order square grid. So total number of squares will be what? 4c2. Total number of rectangle 4c2 into 4c2. Minus total number of squares will be sigma 4 square. Everyone, यही होगा कि नहीं होगा? बोलिए. Total number of rectangles minus total number of squares. But just wait. मुझे ये बताइए 4 lines will be intersecting to 4 lines. 5. Right, everyone? So 4c2 is not the correct value. Here you need to write 5c2 into 5c2. Why? Because here, देखिए, just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So to form 4 by 4 order square grid, we need 5 lines. Right? So to form n by n order square grid, we need n plus 1 lines. Correct? Now guys, what is 5c2? Quick. 10. So this is 10 into 10, 100. Right? Sigma 4 square we have calculated, this was 30. Right? मुझे बताइए जरा 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. 16, 9, 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. What is the answer? 70. Right? Guys, it is clear? Okay. अभी करते हैं, आते हैं उस पर. समझ गया मैं, आप कह रहे हैं रेक्टेंगुलर होगा तो क्या होगा? हाँ.
So that this 4 into 4 that we did from 4c2 we did 5c2. Sir, this is only applicable when n is equal to n.
No, why?
Like if it's
See, we need to find total number of rectangles. Rectangle can be like this also, no? But square cannot be like this. Getting it? Yeah. So in case of rectangle, mc2 into nc2 is like okay, where m and n they may be equal, but it is not necessarily equal. Right? Yeah. Yes, guys, is it clear? Any confusion, guys? Any problem? Any query? Anyone in the class? Pranjal, it's clear? Okay, good. Tanu, it's fine? Okay, chaliye. Shall we move? चले आगे बढ़े हम लोग? आगे बढ़ जाएं? अरे क्या हो गया? What happened? Fine. Okay. So after that, guys, let's discuss one question where, देखिए जरा, just read this. What is that? इधर देखिए, इधर देखिए. अरे इधर देखिए. 6. इधर देखो. Yes, guys. Tell me what is the order of this?
62.
Order क्या है? 5 by 4. हाँ? 1, 2, 3, 4. ये 4 by 5 है या 5 by 4 है? 4 by 5, right? But how does it matter? इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है बहुत ज़्यादा. Now guys, total number of rectangles. मुझे ये बताइए how many lines are intersecting how many lines? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So guys, total number of rectangles will be 6c2 into 5c2. Correct? Guys, what is 6c2? Quick. 15. And what is this? 10. 150. Correct, everyone? This is 15 and this is into 10. Correct? So this is 150. Good. Now, total number of squares in this figure we have already calculated. What was the answer? The answer was 40.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember that? Right? So this minus 40. What is the answer? 110. Right, everybody? Correct? Clear? Everybody? It's fine? Anyone, any doubt, any confusion? No? Done? आगे बढ़े हम लोग? ठीक है. After that, okay, guys, number of integral solution, right? This is one concept. In 2023, UPSC has asked one question based on it, right? Number of integral solution. First of all, just tell me what is the meaning of number of integral solution? What is the meaning of it? क्यों लिख रहे हैं आप ऐसे जब आपको पता ही नहीं कि नंबर ऑफ इंटीग्रल सॉल्यूशन क्या होता है? What is the meaning of it? What is number of integral solution, guys? What is the meaning of number of integral solution? Yeah. What is the meaning of number of integral solution?
All possible outcomes including integers.
Including integers. अच्छा. पहले बताइए integers क्या होते हैं, जानते हैं आप लोग? Everybody, do you know integers? हाँ. See friends, natural numbers are what? Sorry. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite. Huh? Integers are what? Negative values also. I mean, they start from minus infinite. So let's say minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite, and this is up to minus infinite. So this is the set of integers, you can say, I, right? This is the set of integers. Though we represent integer by z also sometimes, right? Okay. So this is the set of integers, guys. Now number of integral solution means एक ऐसा equation, if a equation has the solution where all the variables take some values from integers only, right? वो decimal में नहीं हो सकते, correct? For example, x plus y is 15, or let's say it is, थोड़ी देर के लिए 3 कर दीजिए, fine. So here this possible solution can be 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2, right? Integral solution if I am talking about, or 0 plus 3, 3 plus 0. If I am talking about the integral solution, guys, right? Non-integral solution can be anything, 1.5 plus 1.5, 2.1 plus 0.9, it can be anything then. आप समझ रहे हैं? It can be n number of solutions, right? So that's why if I am talking about only integral solution, I'm not talking about the general solutions. Guys, it is clear? Fine? ठीक है? Okay? And here in this concept, guys, in this concept, we generally take non-negative integers. ये भी ध्यान रखिएगा, because आप अगर माइनस में आ जाएंगे तो फिर कोई लिमिट नहीं है सोल्यूशन कहाँ तक जाएगा, right? So we always talk about non-negative integers. So non-negative starts from 0, guys, right? Till here it is negative, so non-negative starts from 0. Getting it, everybody? Right? Now please read that concept, right? Now please read that concept. Concept says x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xr is equal to n, where these x1 up to xn are non-negative integers. So the number of integral solutions will be n plus r minus 1 cr minus 1. Okay guys, हाँ देखिए, इधर देखिए जरा, here LHS side देखिए जरा, here in LHS side we have r variables, x1, x2, x3 up to xr, we have r variables, right? And RHS side we have n, fine? So number of integral solutions is n plus r minus 1, right everyone? So for this equation, guys, just look at this equation. For this equation, मुझे ये बताइए how many variables are there? 2 variables, right? And what is written at RHS side? 3. N means 3, right? So everyone, the formula says n plus r. This is your r, right? So formula says n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. Guys, it is clear? So this is what? 4c1. So this is 4 only. and you have calculated the number of solutions are 4. Guys, it is clear? Right, everybody? Huh? Okay. Any doubt? No? Clear? See here, in LHS side we have number of variables. So this value will be R. 2 variables are there, right? And RHS side we have N. So formula says N plus R minus 1. N plus R minus 1. C R minus 1. Right? So this will become 5 minus 1, which is 4. 4C1. 4C1 is equal to 4. Right? And you have manually calculated the number of solutions and you have got the answer as 4. Correct, guys? Right, everyone? Huh? Any confusion, please? Any query? Any doubt? No? Good. Okay, that's great. And I'll tell you what UPSC has asked this time from this topic. Before that, let's discuss one good question, right? Yes, everyone. Before that, let's discuss one question. Okay? Shall we move, guys? Huh? Everyone? Done? Okay. So friends, here, just simple question. What is the answer? ऐसे बताइए जरा. Huh? What should I write? Like 7 plus 2, 6 plus 2 minus 1 divided by, C. Huh? देखिए, everyone, this is x plus y equal to 6, right? So there are 2 variables. Huh? So 6 plus 2 minus 1, C2 minus 1. So this is what? 7C1, which is equal to 7. And if you count them, so it will start, see, x plus y is equal to 6, right? So this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, it is clear? So how many are they? They are from 0 to 6. They are 7 actually. Right? Guys, it is clear? Oh? Anyone in doubt? No? Clear? Okay. After that, so Vaishali is asking, sir, they are distinct. No, Vaishali, distinct is not the case because here they are same, right? Okay, so they can be same also. Okay? Everybody, it is clear? All right. Now, just look at this question, guys. Right? Just look at this question. Read the question and assume this as a real life problem in front of you, right? पहले मुझे बताइए कि how you will think about it, how you are going to approach this question. Yes.
सर,
Yep.
इन सब में बांट देंगे चारों में पहले.
ठीक है, बांट दिया फिर.
तो उसके बाद बचा तो सर 12 बचा. सर 12 को फिर 12C 4 बचे.
See, everyone, the question is saying 25 identical marbles are to be distributed among 4 boys in such a manner that each one receive at least 3 or none of them receive less than 3. हाँ, ठीक है. None of them receive less than 3. In how many ways this can be done, right? So question says none of them should receive less than 3, right? So first of all, just try to fulfill this condition of the question, right? So give 3 to all of them. 3, 3, 3, 3. So 12 you have already given. After that, now there is no restriction on you. Even anyone is getting 0 also after that, it is okay, right? So guys, here, first of all, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4 times. So it means 12 are gone. What is left now? 13. So after that, guys, this question is almost equivalent to A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 13. There are 4 kids, A, B, C, D, and the number of marbles with them should be 13. You need to assume this question like this, right? Now there is no restriction. Just take any number of marbles and give to any one of them. There is no restriction, right? So what should be the answers? 13 plus 4 minus 1 C4 minus 1. This is 16 C3 guys, right? ठीक है, value आती है नहीं आती कोई बात नहीं. Getting it everyone? Guys, it is fine. So the answer is 16 C3. Done? Okay. Yes, everybody, it is clear. Friends, any doubt? Any confusion? Done? Clear, guys? Okay. After that, let's talk about the UPSC question, guys. Right? Let's talk about the UPSC question. Friends, just read that question. Just read. Yep. करना नहीं है आपने. You just have to read, right? And suggest an approach for this type of question. Yeah. कैसे किया जाए? हाँ.
PQRS P plus Q plus R plus S equals to 100.
100. Okay.
सर यही वाला formula.
ये वाला formula. अच्छा. Guys, one approach I am getting as P plus Q plus R is equal to 100 and use the same formula. ठीक है. Anyone else? All right. Anyone else? Any other approach?
सर 96 होगा equals to क्योंकि 1% अगर हटा देंगे.
Okay. ठीक है. One more approach. P plus Q plus R plus S is equal to 96. ठीक है. चलिए. Any other thing, guys? All of you? Ayan? क्या होना चाहिए? No? Okay. Bimi? What is to be done? No? Okay. Vishal? क्या होना चाहिए? No idea? All right. क्या होना चाहिए? कुछ तो होगा. प्रांजल? ऐसे ही होगा. अच्छा ठीक है. Misha, any idea? No? Okay, no problem. Akram? No? See guys, just read the question. Who will explain me the question? Any one of you? Anyone may volunteer? Please explain the question to me. Yeah. I didn't read the question till now.
Sir, maximum marks are 99%, sir.
Maximum marks are not 99%, yeah. Maximum marks are 100.
No, sir, but
No, sir, क्या होता है? 99 उसको आने हैं. Right? He has to score 99%. Please, पहले मुझे आप explain करें question क्या है? Who will explain me the question, guys? Just explain the question, यार. Who will explain me the question? हाँ, तनु आप बताइए. Yeah.
Sir, the maximum marks for 4 papers individually PQRS means 100.
100 each. Yeah.
Then we have to calculate the different ways how मतलब 99% कैसे आएगा?
ठीक है, very good.
वो way बताना.
See guys, एक student है, like he is sitting for an examination where there are 4 papers, right? And PQRS are the papers and maximum marks for each paper are 100. The final score of the student is 99% for that examination, right? Okay. So the question is, in how many ways he can score 99% marks in that examination? So just think on it, guys. What is the maximum marks? 400. 99% of 400 will be what? 396, right? 4 times of this, 99 ka 4 times, which is 396. So it means in P plus Q plus R plus S, in all these 4 papers, he is scoring 396 marks. right? So just think on it, P plus Q plus R plus S, he is scoring 96% means, sorry, 99% means 396 marks. Everyone, it is clear. Now, you just think about the complementary part of this.
16 4 में डिवाइड 4 लोगों में वैसे
The complementary part of this is what? How much less marks he is getting from the maximum marks? 4 marks or less. So this less 4 marks will be distributed among these four subjects, right? So just think about it. P plus Q plus R plus S is equal to 4, right? The deficiency actually. Correct? Now use the use the formula, because here 4 plus 4 minus 1, C4 minus 1, which is 7C3. 7C3 is what? 35. And 35 is there. Yeah. Guys, are you getting it or not? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Getting it? आपको बात समझ में आई? हाँ, I am.
So if I wouldn't think of that 4 in example like that, can I solve it using 396 or will it be wrong?
It won't be solved like this. उसका reason क्या है? If you do it like this, then you will start with 0 also. In one subject he is getting 0. Here, suppose that here also it is 0, here also it is 0, and here it is 396. Then it is beyond maximum marks. Getting it? Right? Because if you if you use the formula here, it will give you all the possible solution of this equation. Right? Which is not the demand of the question. Getting it? Right? Everybody clear now? Okay. Yes, guys, any other doubt?
No.
So that's why if this is 396, then this is 4 less than the maximum marks. Right? So in how many ways he can score total 4 marks from that 400? So P plus Q plus R plus S, let's say he is getting like 1 mark less than from this paper, 1 mark is from this paper, something like that. Right? So 4 plus 4 minus 1, N plus R minus 1, CR minus 1. So guys, you know what? Only knowledge of the concept is not important. How to apply this, that is also very important. Right? So that's why I always focus on your approach. Right? How you are going to approach this question. Right? If you are not able to relate that, right, then there is no point of that. Correct, everyone? Oh? Guys, any doubt? Any confusion? Pranjal, it is clear? ये नहीं होगा? Okay. Alright. And friends, in the examination, until the approach is not clear to you, please don't go about the question. Please. Right? Else you will be ended up with some wrong approach or some wrong process or wasting your time. Right? So please don't do that. Okay? All right. Any doubt, friends? Any confusion? No? It's clear? All right. ठीक है. मुझे लगता है आज के लिए बस sufficient है. Right? Okay. So friends, let's meet tomorrow at 10:30. Right? Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you.